Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we are going to be doing a guided meditation with the powerful gemstone, Fluorite, the stone of order and learning. For those who have sat with me during guided meditations before, welcome back. I really appreciate your curiosity and your desire to sit and work with gemstones. And for those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to incorporate crystal healing into your everyday life. And these guided meditations are an opportunity to practice sitting with a gemstone and feeling its energy and feeling how it helps you or not. Being able to determine which stones support us the most is one of the key practices in crystal healing. And today we're going to be sitting with Fluorite, this wonderful multicolored stone of order and learning. If you haven't already watched the video, Improving Your Life with Fluorite, then I invite you to pause this video and go watch that one. It's not very long, so you can get a feel for the supportive benefits of fluorite before you sit in this meditation, and I'll link that in the eye above. Also, if you feel like fluorite is a stone you'd like to work with more, then check the link to my Etsy store below, because I do have fluorite pendants, bracelet and gemstone sets, and Reiki tumbled fluorite. So, if you have a piece of fluorite, then before we get started, then go get that right now and set it next to you. But you don't need a gemstone to benefit from this guided meditation. If any of the prompts that I bring up during the meditation really speak to you, they feel really comfortable, or they trigger you, then that's a sign that you should go get some fluorite and work with it some more. So for the purposes of this meditation, you would just imagine a pale green and purple stone in your mind. And then finally, before we get started, you'll need a comfortable seat. So whether that's on a cushion on the floor, in a chair, or just outside directly on the ground, the most important aspect is that you can sit comfortably for about 10 to 15 minutes during the meditation. So if you have your comfortable seat and you have your stone, or you're ready to picture it in your mind, then let's get started. So close your eyes and take some long, slow breaths. And just breathe. And bring your attention to how your body is feeling right now. Are there any aches or tensions? Numbness? And notice how your mind or your emotions may be feeling right now. We're not trying to change anything. We're just taking a look at what's happening right now. And then bring your attention to the places on your body that are touching and connecting to your seat and the floor, the ground beneath you. And taking note that you are sitting on top of the entire earth. You are supported by the entire globe, and you're in contact with all of its energy. And this will support you during the meditation today. And then if you have some fluorite, then pick that up and place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energies of the fluorite during this meditation. If you don't have a piece of fluorite, picture a pale green, a light blue, and a purple stone with stripes of each color. And take a minute to really hold your piece of stone, to take note of its weight in your hand, to move it around in your hand and feel its surface. See where it's smooth, where it might have chips or cracks, and just get to know your particular piece of fluorite. And notice if anything has changed with your mind, your heart, or your body since you picked up the stone. Just noting if there's any initial reactions to holding the stone. And then imagine this multi-colored light swirling about you, encompassing your entire aura: purple, pale green, light blue, light yellow. And it's cleansing and strengthening your energy field. And sit with this image of fluorite energy for a minute. Fluorite is the stone of order and learning. And while you sit with your stone or imagining the stone, consider the following scenarios. Are you feeling lethargic these days and in need of an energetic reset? Will you soon be learning something new? A hobby, a new job skill, new spiritual practice? Are you currently working on a degree or a certification? Is there a big project that you need to plan and organize? Do you feel you need to organize your home or your workspace? All of these life situations are supported by fluorite. And if any one of these stood out to you more than the others, then bring that back to your mind. And think about this situation while you hold the fluorite. We're going to think about this for another couple of minutes. take note if anything changes about the way that you feel about this situation while you're holding the stone. May not happen right away, but we're just noticing any changes. Then bring your awareness back to your body, your heart, and your mind. And see if anything has changed for you since the start of this meditation. And it may take a couple of meditations to start noticing significant change. So we're not trying to force anything, we're just observing. And then release the image of the fluorite energy. And let go of the scenario that you were thinking about. And just settle back into breathing. When you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today during this guided meditation with fluorite, the stone of order and learning. And I hope that you found this useful and discovered if fluorite is a stone that can support you or not. And if you do feel like you'd like to work with fluorite some more, and make sure to get a piece of fluorite. And these meditations are meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can really call up the energy of fluorite as soon as you pick it up. You need some organization in your life or in your mind. You pick it up and you feel ready. You feel focused and ready to sort things through. And that is the essence of incorporating crystal healing into your daily life. Knowing which life scenarios you need support with, knowing which crystals can help you, and when to use them. And they don't need to be huge life-saving things. You could just know that you get irritated at the grocery store and you could use a gemstone that helps you there. Now, if you're new to the channel, I talk about a different gemstone every single week. On Thursdays, I post a video about the supportive benefits of that gemstone, and on Saturdays, I post a guided meditation with that gemstone every single week. So if you're interested in a really in-depth study on crystal healing and different gemstones, then make sure to hit the subscribe button so you'll see whenever I post a new gemstone video. Thank you, and I hope to see you again next week.